Well, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I got something interesting. Okay. Trippy looking packaging. Container. It should have a fill line. It might be on the packaging though. Dump all this out. Start there. First off, what's this? This is Mimi, shush. I think it's time to sell the children. She says no. What's that? What's that, you say? One and two. It's one of the rare instances where noodles come with chopsticks. Portable chopsticks. Very rare occurrence in the wild, but it happens sometimes. Let me get this going. And then we'll hop to rice noodles. Horribly. I mean, it's cool that they use a plastic wrapper to pack these so they stay nice, but it's just a really, there's got to be a better way. That. Here's our. Look at this. Is there a fill line indicated on here? No. I think with this one it'll be cover the noodles. Okay, so there's that. Now let's add the stuff in. So, what are these? You'll see. I'm rather angry. Sachet of peanuts. I like peanuts. So this is Luosifen. What's Luosifen? Well, I will tell you momentarily, but not until I show you something else. That's still freaking hot. Got a liquid here. Known as the smelly juice. I'm not kidding. Alright, there's that. Oh boy. So it's 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go for the 5. Here we go. So here is what was on top of this is the lid. It's a little paper. Goes on top. So I got this at the local Asian grocery the other day, and I was like, that looks fancy. Whoa, trip, right? Well, last night I thought I'd make it I'd make it today, so I decided to get everything all ready. Now we got this. I'll make sure you can read that. You won't be able to read it unless I turn it upside down. Where? Yeah, here we go. I'm hoping that is legible. Can you see that smelly powder? Can you see that smelly, smelly juice? It's river snail. I need to like scan. I already have a nice scan of it. I got a bigger copy of it. But it's definitely something you need to see up close, because anything that says smelly, smelly juice, that's unique. I've had river snail noodle plenty of times, let me tell you. It's nothing new to me. I don't think it's all that smelly. Big thanks to Kyle and FM and Annie. They all helped me translate this one. That was cool. But yeah, it's like, what the heck is this stuff? Actually, there was, what was her name? I can't remember her name. But she was in a Asian Foods Facebook group. Super big help. Thank you. Yeah, we shall see what we have here momentarily. We got 2 minutes. We got time to do a quote from Momo Fukuanda. Listen to him talk about his golfing lately. I don't know. Number 290. I know it's silly of me in my old age, but I can't help wanting to improve my shot. If just by one more yard, you'll never get bored of life as long as you keep trying to improve, even if there is only a small chance of success. Okay, buddy. Definitely a quote from his later years. Although I don't believe he really was all that noteworthy until his later years. He like reinvented himself. I think when he came out with the instant noodle, he was almost in his 60s in 1958. At least 50s. And yeah, but he lived really old, and he said, I eat instant noodles every day. So much for the instant noodles are going to kill you. But I think he probably ate a lot more, not only the instant noodle portion, but the Japanese diet is very full of fish and all sorts of good fruits and vegetables and stuff. So there's balance. That's where I'm at. I'm all about balance. So yeah. Well, what we got? 50 seconds. What's going on today? About 20 minutes. My daughter's got her class. This took a long time today because this one takes 5 minutes. The first one took 8, and the second one I did took 6. Yeah, That's a lot of cook time. Usually I usually don't have that much cook time. Plus, you know, the children. The children. They're chilling though. Let's change this up. This is kind of. That's a little better. Let's take our paper lid off. And then let's take our. Stay up there. Real lid off. Let's see what we got here. I believe one of the translation advice things I got was that this was actually called stinky noodles. Stir it up. It's river snail time. Okay. This rice noodle is not done. I can tell by its demeanor. Oh. Well. Wow. Yeah, no. So, my father worked at the U.S. Post Office most of my life up in Anacortes, Washington. Well, he would use these rubber things he would put on his, we just call them the rubber thumbs. And well, if the rubber thumbs had a smell or a flavor, I would say this probably fell in line with that. Burnt rubber thumb. Yeah, very, very musty, very. I mean, what do you think a river snail tastes like? All fun and games? Pop-Tarts? No. Not like Pop-Tarts. I mean, both kinds of sesame seeds in this. A little spring onion. I don't know what else. Maybe a little bit of shichimi. Now it's getting to go time, man. All right. River snail, yo. I got for you today. I hope you enjoy your noodles that you're making or doing or whatnot. And yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Remember to like, subscribe, do all that crap. And yeah. That'd be cool. Send a comment. Say something. Yeah. Alright.